Imagine walking into work tomorrow, only to discover that your position no longer exists. Not because your company went bankrupt, not because of a recession, but because an artificial intelligence can now perform most of your daily tasks faster, cheaper, and 24 hours a day. It sounds like science fiction, but for thousands of workers around the world, it's already happening. Artificial intelligence isn't just writing emails anymore. Today, it can analyze legal documents, screen thousands of job applications, answer customer questions, manage schedules, review financial reports, and even write computer code in seconds. Every month, these systems become more capable, and companies are paying attention, not because AI is exciting, but because it saves time, reduces costs, and increases productivity. The jobs changing the fastest are often those built around repetitive and predictable tasks: customer service representatives, administrative assistants, data entry specialists, recruiters screening thousands of resumes, bookkeepers, bank loan processors, paralegals reviewing contracts, content writers producing routine articles. Even junior software developers are beginning to work alongside AI tools that can generate code almost instantly. But here's what many people get wrong. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing every profession. It's transforming the tasks inside almost every profession. History has seen this before. The Industrial Revolution changed manual labor. The internet transformed how we communicate and do business. Now, artificial intelligence is changing how we work. The people who learn to use AI will have a powerful advantage. Those who ignore it may find themselves struggling to keep up. The question is no longer, will AI affect my job? It's, am I ready for the future? Because by 2030, your greatest career advantage may not be working harder. It may be learning how to work with artificial intelligence. What job do you think will change the most by 2030? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe to GAVA Streaming for more documentaries about artificial intelligence, future technology, robotics, and the world of tomorrow.